Hey guys, in this video, I will show you two different ways how you can switch between the front and the back camera. So first, let's launch your camera app from the home screen. Then to switch the camera between the front and the back, you can tap on this switch button. So tap on it to switch to the front camera, or tap on it to switch to the back camera. Another way to quickly switch the camera is to swipe up like that. Swipe down to switch between the different camera. Now, if you swiping up and down, it does not switch the camera. You will need to go into settings and apply the change. So in camera settings, we go down to general section and then tap on swipe preview up or down to switch cameras. Okay, make sure you select that. And those are two different ways to switch cameras to front or back. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.